Welcome to AP Workshops, welcome to another of our tech films that we do for you. This one is about clutch jets. So if you're having a problem getting your bike, your V-twin engine into neutral at a standstill, there's a couple of things that you can do to make that a little bit easier. One of them is a clutch jet. I'll show you and I'll just touch on the others. There are films actually sort of already out there showing you how to do that, but the clutch jet is probably one of the easiest ones to do. So we're going to show you how to do that. Okay, so these are the tools that you're going to need to do this job. First things first, you're going to need a clutch jet, which are available online. You're going to need a 5mm Allen key. You're going to need the correct size flat blade screwdriver, and I'll tell you exactly why you need the correct size screwdriver in a second, and special weapons grade cocktail sticks. No, there's nothing real special about them. It is literally just a regular common or garden cocktail stick. This one's been floating around for a while. As you can see, it's a little bit grubby, but just a common or garden cocktail stick. So, okay, if we have a look on the motor, we can see what's going on. So we take our 5mm Allen key, we undo that bolt there, just, if you have a look, like I said, 12 o'clock, just above the oil filter casing. We undo the bolt. Be careful when you undo the bolt, because there should be a little copper washer on the back. Make sure you don't lose that. This engine hasn't been started for a while, so we're not losing any oil, but you may lose just a touch of oil. It's not going to pour out, or you're not going to lose tons and tons of it, so just be a little bit careful about what's going on with it. You may lose a bit. Just put a drain tray under, you'll be fine. But this is why we need to have the correct size screwdriver. The reason being is if we have a screwdriver that's too small, we can tear up the little edges of the copper jet. Okay, so we put the screwdriver in, turn it around really gently until you can feel it drop into the slot. Undo the jet, wind the jet out till you can feel it come loose. The way I normally do this is if you keep turning it, it'll go, you can feel it sort of like go tick 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 right when it comes loose, when it's at the top of the thread, so you won't be able to draw it out. Now this is what we use the weapons grade cocktail stick for. So you can slide your cocktail stick in and draw your clutch jet out just like that. If you have a quick look right on the edge, I can't see this because I'm getting old and I'm going blind, so basically if you have a quick look on the edge there, you can confirm. I can actually see that one because it says 0.60 on that one. We change that for a 0.40 clutch jet. Okay, I'm not going to do that on this one because this one doesn't have that problem, so I'm going to put back in, but I'll just show you how to put it back into reverse. So just slide your clutch jet back in. Like I said, it has to be the correct shape and correct size flat blade screwdriver, and otherwise you chew the copper up. Tighten it back up again till you can feel it go tight like that. Just a little nip, it's only a little copper brass jet, sorry, and then 6mm back in. Tighten that up like that. 11 Newton meters on that one. That's it, job done. Okay, the reason why I say we've got to use the correct size screwdriver is because if we use a screwdriver tip here that is too small, and you try undoing that particular clutch jet with the screwdriver that's too small, it tears up the outer edge of the clutch jet here. It basically burrs it out, so you can't, and you won't be able to get it out of the hole in the casing. So before you go trying to undo the brass jet inside the engine casing, find a screwdriver that is exactly the correct size. You won't burr out the edges of the jet, and you will be able to get it out. We've had a few of those examples when they won't come out just because of that. So exactly the correct size. So that's it, that's clutch jet fitment in a V990 engine. This will affect bikes from 1998 to 2006, 2007. If you're around those 2006, 2007 era, take it out, have a quick look if you are struggling getting your bike into neutral at a standstill. The clutch jet is available online on our website. If you go to www.apworkshops.co.uk, you can just put, like I said, put in the little search bar clutch jet, it'll pop up for you there, no problems. Really easy fix, really quick way of sorting that job out. There is other problems, like I said, which can cause it that particular issue, but if you drop us a line, if you want to get in touch, no problems, we can help you out with that as well. So if you do want to get in touch, you can email us, sales@apworkshops.co.uk. You can give us a call at the shop, no problems, we're happy to help however we can. Take care and we'll talk to you soon.